took you so long? I had to go to the Rolls-Royce agency. I had to steal a spare magneto.
Oh, good. It's ready.
Yes. Yes, it's ready. There's never been anything like this. Professor, your greatest creation. Genius! Work of genius! The finest parts from the greatest automobiles in the world. The Hannibal Twin 8! And when it comes to the blizzards and the snowstorms, we will continue on just as planned. Push the button, Max! When the rains come and when the snow melts, we shall continue to rise above it! Push the button, Max! Nature will chase us, we will beat her, and brigands, thieves, cutthroats of all nations may hound us, but we are ready for them. We will blast them to kingdom come. We can mount, we can blast, we can rise above, we are invincible. Take us down. Push the button, Max.